Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the lower control arm on your Dodge Ram 1500. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface. Use a sturdy floor jack to lift the front of the truck, then place two robust jack stands securely under the frame for safety. Next, remove the front wheel using a lug nut wrench. This provides clear access to the control arm. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment throughout the process. Now, let's begin the disassembly. First, use a 17mm wrench to disconnect the sway bar link from the lower control arm. Next, carefully separate the lower ball joint from the steering knuckle. A ball joint separator tool can be very helpful here. Then, remove the lower mounting bolt for the shock absorber, typically a 19mm bolt. Finally, unbolt the two large control arm pivot bolts, usually 21mm, from the frame, allowing the old arm to be removed. With the old arm out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new lower control arm into the frame mounts. Insert the two main pivot bolts, but only hand tighten them for now. We'll torque them later. Next, reattach the lower ball joint to the steering knuckle, ensuring it's seated correctly. Then, reconnect the sway bar link and the lower shock absorber mounting bolt. Make sure all components are aligned before proceeding to the final tightening steps. Before lowering the truck, it's crucial to torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. The main pivot bolts often require between 150 and 200 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel, ensuring lug nuts are tightened to 130 foot-pounds, then safely lower your vehicle. A professional wheel alignment is absolutely essential after this repair to prevent premature tire wear and ensure proper handling. Finally, take a short test drive to confirm everything feels correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.